Hi! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use our AI Photo Editor to transform your images using a simple text prompt. No advanced skills needed. Start by uploading an image. You can click Upload an image, paste a URL, or just press Ctrl+V to paste it directly. Then type in what you'd like to change, whether it's something simple like make the sky red, or something more creative like place the scene in space. Now choose a mode. Standard is free and great for everyday edits. Genius is part of our Pro plan and gives you higher quality results, better details, and more creative flexibility. Once everything's set, your image is uploaded, your prompt is ready, and you've selected a mode, just hit Generate. In just a few seconds, your new image will be ready. Reimagined by AI based on your prompt. You can edit anything, change colors, lighting, scenery, or go all out with surreal ideas. The better your prompt, the better the result. So don't be afraid to get creative. That's it. Quick, simple, and surprisingly fun. Give it a try and see what your imagination can do.